Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Rouserbuds 2 True Wireless Earphones. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earphones in its charging case. On the left hand side of the box, we have the contents of the package right here, but we will not be going through that since we will be unboxing the product anyways. Over here, we have some important information as well. On the right hand side of the box, we have a few of the salient features, which include 6.1 mm dynamic drivers, a compact case for easy storage, Glowbuds with LEDs, and built-in microphone for hands-free calling. It also has X-Base functionality. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back of the box, we have some of the technical specifications that has been split up into 4 categories. In terms of connectivity, the specifications include Bluetooth version 5.0. The protocols that are supported are HSP, HFP, A2DP, and AVRCP. It also has a range, that is the Bluetooth range, of 10 meters. In terms of audio, the specifications are a driver size of 6.1 mm, as we have already seen, and the frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Battery life is 5 hours of music play time, talk time of 5 hours as well. The charging time is 2 hours. The charging case capacity is 500 mAh, and the charging case takes 2 hours to charge and charges the buds up to 4 times. In terms of features, it has controls on the earbuds, and it also has support for Siri and Google Voice control. Over here, we have a sticker that has some more importing and manufacturing information, and on the bottom of the sticker, we have the customer care details. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you get acquainted with the various buttons and features of the earphones and help you get started off with using it. We also have this card on which we have some information where we can leave some feedback for the brand. A charging cable has also been provided. It has a USB Type-A interface on one end and a USB Type-C interface on the other. The cable is approximately 12 inches long. Additional ear tips have also been provided in a size larger and a size smaller than the ear tips that are already fit on the earbuds. While we have the earbuds in hand, we can see that they have a glossy black color theme on the outside, and there is a white ring around the middle, which is also a button. So this white ring basically lights up when you turn the device on, and through that we'll know if the earphones are in pairing mode or not. The other side, which is the side that touches the ears, that is, you have a matte black color theme. Here are the connection points for the charging, and it's pretty much the same on the other earbud as well. Coming to the charging case now, it too has a glossy black color theme, and it has a pretty inventive and smart hinge mechanism, which is just a rubber strap. It opens like this, and it locks magnetically. On the inside, we have a matte black color theme, and all we have is the 2 slots for the earbuds. On the outside, we have some branding on the top. On the right hand side, we have the USB-C charging port, and there is also an LED light next to it to show if it is charging or not. On the bottom, we simply have some information in the form of symbols regarding the disposal and recycling of this product. To get started with using these earphones, we need to press the buttons on the earbuds. Here we see the lights light up, and that indicates that the earbuds are in pairing mode. Next, we need to search for the device in the Available Devices section of our Bluetooth menu. Here we can see that the Bluetooth name is Rouserbuds 2. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Once connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback, and the battery level is 40%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Rouserbuds 2. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.